Welcome friends, welcome back to my another Clean Planet walk. How are you all my dear friends? I hope all are well and I am also good. And you know I am MD Aminul Islam from Tangail district of Bangladesh. Friends, today is Friday, so happy Friday from Bangladesh. Today is Friday 10 December 2021. Now afternoon time, this Friday afternoon I am visiting a natural place. You can see behind my back, natural place, green nature place. Beside our vegetable garden. Friends, this afternoon I visiting this place and I saw here is some polluted garbage. So now I collected that garbage and that garbage threw in the dustbin. তো বন্ধুরা আজকে শুক্রবার বিকালে আমি আমাদের সবজি বাগানের পাশে প্রকৃতির মাঝে এসেছি। সবুজ প্রকৃতি আছে, এখানে আমি বেশ কিছু দূষিত আবর্জনা দেখতে পেয়েছি, সেগুলো আমি এখন সংগ্রহ করে ডাস্টবিনে নিক্ষেপ করব। তো চলুন বন্ধুরা পরিষ্কার মিশন শুরু করি। লেটস গো ফ্রেন্ড, ক্লিনিং মিশন স্টার্ট নাও। Friends, this natural place I walk it here and I saw here is some polluted garbage, so now I collected this garbage. I saw one plastic here. This plastic is very bad for our nature, our green nature, our environment. So I collected this plastic, another unused plastic product, very bad. Friends, I always try to collect plastic product from nature, green nature, natural place. I saw another plastic product here, unused plastic product. আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। I saw another plastic product here. Plastic. This plastic. Another plastic here. পানি জমে আছে। Friends, this Friday afternoon I collected polluted garbage from natural place. Another plastic here, stuck in soil, মাটিতে আটকে আছে, এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। Friends, stock these garbage and collected another garbage. Let's go. I saw another plastic here. Collected this plastic product. Another plastic. Friends, this plastic is really bad for our nature, our green nature, our garden, our environment, our children, our people. So I always try to collect polluted plastic from nature, from garden, from our environment. Another plastic here, মাটিতে আটকে আছে। Another plastic. Small plastic. Unused plastic product, really very bad plastic, দূষিত আবর্জনা এগুলো। Another plastic here. I collected this plastic, really bad plastic. Stuck in soil, মাটিতে প্লাস্টিক আটকে আছে, এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। Really very bad plastic. But it is get তুলে ফেললাম। I saw one plastic bottle here. I collected this plastic bottle. One cigarette butt here. I collected this cigarette butt. Friends, my cleaning mission finished. I collected many polluted garbage, plastic bottle, plastic cigarette butt from natural place. Friends, I have back in my hand all garbage thrown back. ব্যাগে আমি আবর্জনাগুলো এখন ভরবো এবং ডাস্টবিনে নিক্ষেপ করব। Friends, I will say let's we all save our nature, our environment, our people, our children. This plastic cigarette butts really very bad for our nature, our environment, our people, our children. So I always try to collect. I always try to save the nature, environment. I always try to collect polluted plastic, polluted garbage from nature area. Really very bad plastic, dirty, rubbish. Friends, complete all garbage. Now stop this bag. Friends, stop this bag. Now this bag throw in dustbin. Let's go. Friends, this our area's dustbin. This garbage bag throw in this dustbin. Thank you so much, friend. This was my nature cleaning mission in Friday afternoon.